an airplane and I'm about to eat this fine cuisine that they have given me right here. Take a sip of my water first. Right here, I have the spoon, fork, knife, then a napkin. I'm just gonna pull out the napkin and get this into place. I think this is salt and pepper right here. So I'm just gonna get this out. Pull this, put it on my place. And then this is United. So they have this like little wet cloth. So I'm just gonna take this out and just wipe my hands down a little bit. Alright. Take this out. It's a moist towelette. So I'm just gonna take this. I'm just going to wipe my mouth, wipe my hands, make sure everything's clean. Absolute goodness. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this. Then I'm just gonna gently fold this back up and put it to the side. Alright, so let's see what they've given me. Alright, so they have pasta. So I got the pasta dinner. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this, gently fold that up, put that to the side. And then right here they have ramen noodles, I guess. Little fancy ramen noodles. Looks like absolute goodness. I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna have to wait to see. So I'm gonna take that, open that up. This right here is butter. It smells good. Can you smell it? It smells great. Alright. So I'm gonna do a couple of things with that. First I'm gonna open up my bread. Open up my bread. Have my bread open. Fold that up to the side. Have a sip of my water. And then I'm gonna take my bread and I'm just gonna cut it open halfway. Be careful because you don't want to cut yourself with a plastic knife because that would be embarrassing. How can you tell someone you cut yourself with a plastic knife? Okay, so I cut that. I'm just gonna open it up like that. Alright, 2 slices, and I'm gonna take some butter. And I'm just gonna scoop out the butter. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna put it, spread it on the bread, just like that. Absolute goodness, alright? Spread that out. Alright, so I got that right there. Take the other piece, spread it right there. Then I have like some other butter. And so what I'm gonna do is with this, I'm just gonna press it on my chicken, or not my chicken, my pasta, and let that marinate. Absolute goodness. Alright. Put that in there. Let that marinate. And then have another sip of water. Alright, time to dig in. So let me taste the pasta. Oh wow. A lot of flavor. The peas are really good. Just spread the butter out a little bit. Wow, really good. The butter actually brings out the flavor a little bit. Wish I had some lime or something. I'm gonna taste out the ramen noodle. So the ramen noodles are good. They're a little bit, they're cold, but flavorful. They have like a little vinaigrette. Try it more. Really good. There's a little bit of salad right here. Try some of this. Get my vegetables in. Absolute goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna try some of the bread. It looks like it's multi-grain bread. You can see some of the multi-grains in there. And that butter spread across it. So let's see what the flavoration tastes like. A lot of flavor. Okay. I'm trying to dip it in some sauce. Oh, that's absolute goodness. It's really good. The sauce from the ramen noodles really brings out the flavor in the bread. What is this? So I'm gonna skip back over to the pasta. Look at that, there's a little baby mushroom in there. Try that and see what it tastes like. Wow. A lot of mushroom flavor. So I'm taking the bread. I'm gonna do something special. Okay. I'm gonna take some pasta. And I'm gonna make a pasta sandwich. Absolute goodness, alright? So get some of that, probably get a mushroom on there. Pasta, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, fold it. Look at that. Pasta sandwich. Go ahead and take a bite of it. Now that's absolute goodness. That's really good. A little bit of a mess, but it's alright. I'll go ahead and finish this. Look at that. A couple of peas hanging from the bottom.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to chop here and for a while. The forecast called for it to be much higher than it is now. We're at a lowest altitude for the from a conservation standpoint. So looks like we have about 15 more minutes. This should be spoken out.
Well, that was good.